Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Get Email's $99 pricing plan. In short, Get Emails has two main pricing options. The cheapest match test plan starts at $0 a month with 25 email addresses. Meanwhile, the starter package costs $99 a month and includes 400 email addresses, and the last package is customizable. You pick email addresses. Get Email's $99 features. Get Emails offers freemium plan. A portmanteau of the words free and premium is a pricing strategy by which a basic product or service is provided free of charge, but money, a premium, is charged for additional features. 95% of the market can use Get Emails products for free. But if you want integrations or your website has over around 10,000 unique visitors/month, you have to pay. For the starter $99 plan, you get 400 email addresses. Sign up free for Get Emails and lower your cost per lead by 90%. Get a Get Emails account for free today, and you'll start thinking about how do you ever survive without them. Connect your anonymous website visitors to real people. Safely retarget them with email through real-time, one-to-one, fully compliant interactions, all the tools you need in one platform without having to duct tape multiple platforms together. Thank you. I hope that information helped. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Get Emails and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.